For those Filipino Chinese, Kong Hei Ba Choi, Kong Hei Wa Chai. Here are the explored news today.
The celebration of the Chinese New Year. Influx of people in the celebration of the Chinese New Year in Binondo, Manila. What are lucky charms in Year of the Wooden Horse? Traffic update in Binondo. Some road in Binondo is closed because of the celebration of the Chinese New Year. Black versus blue. Find out who will be the winner in inter-barangay game. Andy Eigenman, excited to see Anne suffering. Danielle wants to do an action again. Bianca Lapus, keep her son.
The Binondo, Manila, where also known as the oldest Chinatown in the world, is now extremely celebrating the Chinese New Year. Plenty of people go to buy Lucky Charm and watch the dragon and lion dance. Let's explore news with Jerome Padillo. Jerome?
Thank you, Remy. Now is the celebration of well-known holidays for the Chinese New Year. So let's find out how the Chinese celebrate their New Year beliefs and customs.
Kong Hei Ba Choi for the Filipino and Chinese. As we see, many people here in Lucky Chinatown in Binondo, Manila celebrate the celebration of Chinese New Year. Some go to buy lucky charms like fortune plants, chunky, orange, dragon, and also tikoy. I asked some vendor here in Binondo to know the essence of believing in the lucky charms in this year of the wooden horse.
Chunky.
Para saan po yan?
Chunky para siya sa pagtagoy ng mga elemento, tapos pang sagap siya ng mga swerte. Ilalagay siya itong pinakampato. Babaw ng bigas. Sasamahan siya ng mga lucky charm. Mga lucky charm na tapos mga gold coin. Kasama lahat yan. Sa mga, tapos yan, mga horse na yan. Yan ang horse, diba? Yan, laging priority lagi yan. Nakaano ko yung kasi
sa fortune plan, tsaka yung pin niya. Yun nga kasi, alam naman natin lahat, yung itsura na lang niya, na meron siyang crown. So, siguro pag yung leadership, itong fortune plan na sa Chinese talaga, fortune plan, good luck yun. So, pinagsama. Tsaka, cool. Sa bonsai.
Eto pa.
Leadership. Head of the, head of the family, unity. Mga anak na magkakaisa, kasama-sama.
Especially the tikoy which is never missed in the celebration.
Buenas daw to, tsaka pampaswerte. Kasi bilog eh, diba? Bilog means money, coins, yung pera.
Tikoy symbolizes secret relationship of the family and it has no edge, which means lucky will no end. There are Filipino Chinese here just to watch the longest dragon dance that we can only found here in Binondo where it needed 120 people.
Paano po kayo mag-celebrate yung Chinese New Year?
Day before ng New Year, magbibili ka na ng mga different kind of foods. Importante apple, orange, mga bilog, peras, tapos get-get, han, tapos importante nasa gitna niya meron kayo malaking pineapple. Bibili kayo ng pineapple na sinasabit sa pinto para mag-swerte. May ano ba tawag ng pineapple na may mga get-get na nakapaligid na lagay mo sa
Until now, some road in Manila closed because of the celebration of the Chinese New Year. From Binondo, Manila, let's explore news with Leonora Rigodon. Leonora?
Yes, Remy. These are the following roads that is closed. Plaza Lacson at Palangka Escolta at Plaza Santa Cruz. Imapua at Ongpin. Rizal Avenue at M. Recto. Dasmariñas at P. Mapua. And SM Recto at the edge of P. Mapua.
There are activities happening in the celebration of the Chinese New Year in Binondo, Manila. Let's explore news from Jerome Padillo. Jerome?
So later, there will be a solidarity grand parade. Later.
Okay. So, what time does the parade start?
So it will start at 2:30 p.m. from Oakland Street, and we'll go around the designated street here in Binondo. This event shows the good relationship developed between the Filipino and the Chinese, the celebration of the Chinese New Year. Konghe, Pachoy, Tikoy Tiko, I'm Jerome Padillo, reporting. News Explorer.
This January is also an important one for every Napoleno. After the celebration of the Bonus Day, another celebration is to be held, especially for the people of San Roque, the San Roque Feast. San Roque is the one with a walking stick on the left hand, while the other hand is pointing into a wood, or one of his knees with a dog sitting by his right side.
Saint Roque, or also known as San Roque, relinquished all his properties to the poor. He attended to those who were sick with various diseases at a time when Italy was badly hit by plagues. They named this particular place in Navotas City as San Roque for their unique devotion here. The parade takes 3 hours because of continuous coming of devotees and participants in the celebration. The San Roque Road becomes divisoria because of number of vendors selling clothes, shorts, shoes, glasses, and so on, as one reason for slow progress of the parade. They also had a fireworks display that stirred attention above. They closed the road from Tangos to Santo Niño Road.
Do you want to completely enjoy your party? Try this. Yolanda. It's a refreshing, non-alcoholic drink that is made from especially selected grapes. Yolanda.
Barangay Northway Boulevard South conducted a basketball league for teenagers. Let's explore news with Leonora Rigodon. Leonora?
Thank you, Remy. We're about to witness a game held yearly in every barangay, the Inter-Area Competition, here in North Bay Boulevard South, Navotas City. The game between the Royal Blue team and the Black team. The game is on and the heat starts between the two competing teams. And this game will surely give you entertainment, for it is obvious that the two teams was eager to win this game.
With a score of 73 and 76, two teams won the game of Black team.
Sa amin kasi, kailangan lang namin yung penetration, tapos yung ball movement. Kailangan namin yun para. Ang ginawa ko lang kanina,
let's explore the trapping acting in EDSA Monumento with Jerome Padillo. Jerome?
Thanks, Remy. So we are witnessing the flow of the traffic here at EDSA Road.
It is very obvious that it moves smoothly. So at my right side is going to Balintawak and on the left side is the Monumento. You won't get caught by heavy traffic.
I'm Jerome Padillo, reporting.
Explore the celebrities' life here in Explore Chica. Andy, excited to see Anne's suffering. Andy Eigenman is very grateful because even her drama series Kalema, Anak ni Suma, in the afternoon is not yet ending in the Kapamilya Network. There is another role that she will does. She is accompanied also in the drama series Jezebel, which is led by Anne Curtis. Danielle wants to do an action again. These days, the showing of the movie Sa Ngalan ng Ama, Ina at Mga Anak, which is led by Robin, Kylie, Bella, Danielle, and brother RJ Matt Padilla, the ex-wife of Bong Navarro. Young Halapos keep their sons because she is very scared. Bianca was very shocked when she had watched of what happened to Bong last time. Chinese are well known in their Buksoy, which is about London. But we don't have to depend on this lucky team because we also have to take effort to achieve success in the end. And that's the latest news scoop. I'm Remy Mateos reporting News Explorer.